Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth in your Toyota Vanguard. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine running. Next, activate the Bluetooth function on your mobile device. Then, find the Setup or Menu button on your car's audio system, usually located near the display screen. This initial step prepares both your phone and your car for a smooth and easy connection process, ensuring everything is ready to go. Once you are in the Setup menu, navigate to the Bluetooth option and select it. You will then see an option to add new device or pair device. Choose this to initiate the pairing sequence. Your Toyota Vanguard system will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth-enabled mobile devices. Keep your phone close by, ideally within a few feet, to ensure it is easily discoverable during this scan. After your car's system has scanned, a list of available devices will appear on the screen. Locate and select your mobile device's name from this list. Both your car and phone will then display a unique pairing code. Confirm that these codes match on both screens. Once confirmed, allow a few moments, typically less than 30 seconds, for the connection to fully establish. With your device successfully connected, you can now enjoy hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming directly through your Toyota Vanguard's sound system. For optimal performance, always keep your mobile phone within a few feet of the car's unit. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's audio system often resolves them quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.